Hello fellow collectors and welcome to Long's Toys. Today we are taking a look at Fisto, the heroic hand-to-hand fighter from the 5th wave of Masters of the Universe Origins from Mattel. You can see he comes in this retro-inspired packaging with the exploding red rock and the night sky up above, just like the rest of the line, but very fun, very retro and nostalgic. Spinning around to the back, you can see some cool artwork here at the top of him fighting Jitsu in the forest. You see Stridor in the back here, which is a little bit of foreshadowing. We've seen some shots of him. He is coming soon, so that's going to be really fun. And then down here, just kind of showing off his articulation and his sword-wielding abilities. And then we have the cross-sell with the rest of Wave 5, Faker, Fisto, Evil Lyn, and Merman. Of course, the Lords of Power Merman. And then He-Man and Skeletor, because they're just in every wave. I guarantee you've seen them at your local Walmart and Target clogging the pegs. But in any case, very cool packaging here. Very excited to get Fisto and add him to the collection. So let's get him out of the packaging here and we will take a closer look. So here is Fisto right out of the packaging, and I wanted to show off the mini comic he comes with real quick. It's the same one that comes with all the figures for Wave 5, so we saw this previously with Merman. So I'm not going to do too much with it, but I just wanted to show it off real quick just to confirm it is the same as the others. He looks good, though. I really like him a lot. I've always thought he was a fun character. Even when I was a kid, he was one of my favorites because he had the giant metal hand. Definitely good for smashing some enemies. He does come with a sword here. Now, you may be familiar with the sword. It is the exact same one that Triclops comes with, just done in purple instead of green. The head sculpt, I think, looks really cool. I love his giant beard. Looks like one of the eyebrows got a little shorted there. As you can see, this one's a little bit longer than the right one, but not a big deal. Head is on a ball joint, so you can look down, look up, look side to side. A little bit of tilting side to side as well. You have a hinge here and a swivel. You have a hinge and a swivel in the elbow and a hinge and a swivel in the wrist as well. He's really got all the same articulation as all of the Origins figures. There's really nothing new at this point, but waist swivel, kick about that far forward, kick a little bit back, kick out to the side. He's got a hinge and a swivel in the knee, so you can swivel that side to side. He's got a boot swivel, and then he's got a hinge and a rocker here in the ankle. So he looks good. Chest piece here, really nice and silver, goes well with the purple. I always thought he had kind of a fun color scheme. He's got the one arm gauntlet over here, which is also painted very nicely. And then you do have a swivel here, so obviously he doesn't have a wrist. He has this giant metal hand, so there's no articulation at the wrist. But at the end of the Gauntlet, we'll say, you have a swivel here. That's right, just put some Infinity Stones. He's all ready to go. He just can't snap because he doesn't have any hand articulation. But in any case, it's a fun figure. I think he looks really cool. I can't wait to get Stridor so that I can go ahead and put him atop Stridor. And then I would assume they will do Jitsu and his horse fairly soon as well. I just can't remember the name of Jitsu's horse at this point. It's escaping me, but very excited for these. I think the vehicles are going to be fun, the two horses, and I think this guy looks great. And I'm pretty sure Jitsu is coming in a wave pretty soon. I don't know if it's 6, but it might be 7, maybe 7. So he is coming pretty soon, and then these two will be able to fight. So very, very cool. I like this guy quite a bit. He looks great. Good articulation. Paint applications look great. And I just always thought he had a fun gimmick. Now, he doesn't have any kind of spring-loaded gimmick to punch people with this hand, but he can still get the job done. So very cool figure. I think he looks great. Definitely recommend picking him up, but let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and as always, thanks so much for watching.